Glass oil film repeated. How to keep it for half a year without removing the oil film. C4 glass plated crystal, it's coming. Before making glass coating, remove the glass oil film of this car. First, clean off the CE oil film removal cream and the glass oil film of this car. Self-construction of horizontal and vertical cross-tightening. Wash the glass before taking the oil film. Glass wetting construction. White sodium surface for the free sponge crossed horizontally and vertically. Don't use reverse. After taking the oil film and flushing, when it reaches the state of clean water, it is clean. The front gear and the back gear are all the same. Rinse off after taking the oil film. Dry the glass after taking the oil film. Be sure to dry the moisture before using glass crystal plating. Then drop C4 on the complementary construction sponge. The complementary sponge is black. Don't use this place the other way around. Then in the same way, the cross wells are built by themselves. Avoid dead ends. This step must be paid attention to. Remove the oil film first and then do glass crystal plating. And the glass must be dried after removing the oil film. If there is water, it will affect the effect. Wait 5-10 minutes after gold plating. If you see gold plated in white, you can drop it. Under the gold plating, dry it with a complementary dry towel. Wipe your head twice. If it can't be wiped clean the first time, turn the towel over and wipe it twice. Be careful not to build in the sun. It is best not to touch water within 24 hours after the construction is completed. The best and most lasting, basically keep it for more than half a year. I want to show. Spray water directly to see the effect. After using up C4, as long as it has an effect within half a year, there is no need to remove the oil film. The rear glass is also constructed. The novice front windshield can do half the comparison, because coated products may have the probability of causing glass jump. If there is a jump wiper in the front windshield, just remove the C4 with CE oil film remover. Simple things start for half a month. More than 2,000 cans have been shipped. Received full praise. Place your own order with Unwanted Brothers.